Experiencing HVAC not nominal in your Model 3 can be frustrating. This error indicates your climate control system isn't operating as expected. Let's start with the basics of the Tesla Model 3 HVAC system. It uses a dual-zone, electric-only design for precise climate control. The system relies on a variable speed compressor to circulate refrigerant, cabin heaters for warmth, and sensors that monitor temperature and pressure. Here's a diagram showing the coolant flow in the Model 3 HVAC system, illustrating how components work together. The HVAC system integrates with Tesla's autopilot for adaptive climate control, adjusting based on driving conditions. Common HVAC not nominal errors include climate errors from sensor mismatches, fan issues from electrical problems, and compressor malfunctions. This image shows a typical HVAC component that might need inspection during troubleshooting. Diagnosing these issues involves checking error codes and basic resets, while fixes range from software updates to hardware replacements. Tesla frequently releases over-the-air software updates that address HVAC issues in the Model 3. These OTA updates enhance the system's diagnostic algorithms and improve integration with the vehicle's central computer. The software development process follows a branching model, where fixes are developed and merged into releases. These updates have reduced compressor cycling errors by up to 40%, as shown by the latest version 12.5.2. Make sure your Model 3 is running the latest software version and keep an eye on Tesla's service bulletins for specific HVAC-related fixes. Before heading to a service center, try some DIY troubleshooting. Check and clean the cabin air filters, as clogged filters can cause fan problems. Clean or replace the filter to restore proper airflow. Locate the filter housing under the dashboard, remove the old filter, and install a clean one. You can also try resetting the HVAC module via the touchscreen for basic fixes. For more advanced users, with an OBD2 tool. However, proceed with caution when using OBD2 tools, as improper use can void your warranty. If software fixes don't resolve your Tesla Model 3 HVAC issues, the problem may be with the hardware components. The first step in hardware inspection is to listen for unusual noises coming from the compressor or fan while the system operates. A healthy compressor should operate quietly with a low hum. If you hear grinding, rattling, or excessive noise, this could indicate internal damage or refrigerant leaks. The compressor is responsible for circulating refrigerant through the system. Faulty compressors often require professional evacuation of old refrigerant, system recharge with R134A, and sometimes complete replacement. This work involves specialized tools and should never be attempted as a DIY project. Fan module failures, often caused by electrical shorts or moisture damage, typically require replacement of the entire blower assembly. The fan uses pulse width modulation for speed control, and failures can prevent proper air circulation throughout the cabin. These hardware repairs involve complex electrical and refrigerant systems that require specialized equipment and certification. Always consult Tesla service or qualified technicians to avoid voiding warranties or causing further damage to your vehicle. If you're uncomfortable with DIY repairs, or if the problem persists after trying basic fixes, it's time to contact Tesla service or a certified mechanic specializing in electric vehicles. Tesla's service network uses AI-powered diagnostics to identify faults quickly, often in under 5 minutes. While third-party mechanics can be an option, ensure they have experience with Tesla HV systems. Note that 20% of DIY attempts can lead to further damage, underscoring the need for certified repairs. Preventative maintenance is crucial for avoiding future HVAC issues in your Tesla Model 3. Start by regularly checking and replacing the cabin air filters, which prevent dust and allergens from entering the system. Next, inspect the refrigerant lines for any signs of leaks or damage. The HVAC system uses R134A refrigerant, and maintaining proper pressure is essential for efficient cooling and heating. Ensure your 12-volt auxiliary battery is in good condition, as low voltage can cause HVAC malfunctions. Tesla recommends checking battery health regularly to prevent system errors. Finally, consider having your HVAC system inspected annually by a qualified Tesla technician. This proactive approach can identify potential issues before they become major problems.